Hey guys, welcome to brainAttic. So today we have another set of problems from the topic of derivatives. Now these questions were asked in JEE Advanced 2010 and 2009. Back then they were called as IIT JEE. So if you do want to give it a try, you may pause the video now and give it a try. Otherwise, you can continue solving the problem. Now, to be honest, the standard of the question paper these days, I don't think that this question will be asked in an exam like JEE Advanced again, but it's a good probable question for other engineering entrance examinations and even for JEE Main as well. So, with that, let us see what all concepts are there to easily solve this problem. So, in the first question, we are asked to find the maximum value of the expression, and an expression like this is given to us where we have 1 in the numerator and in the denominator we have sine square theta plus 3 sine theta cos theta plus 5 cos square theta. Now, in this question, trigonometry is also very important. So, you need to have the concept of trigonometry. And in the second question, we are asked to find the maximum value of the function f of x, where f of x is given as 2x cubed minus 15x squared plus 36x minus 48. And a set is given for the value of x, which is defined by an inequality, which is x squared plus 20 less than equal to 9x. Now, in the first question, as I said, the concepts of trigonometry, concepts or the formulae, formula plural, right, of trigonometry is very important. Trigonometry is very important. So if you have a good grasp on it, then this problem becomes fairly easy to solve. So let us see. We are given f theta. Let me define this function as f theta, where f of theta is given by 1 over sine square theta plus 3 sine theta cos theta plus 5 cos square theta. Okay. Now, as you can see, we can write the denominator part as g theta. So let g theta be equal to sine square theta plus 3 sine theta cos theta plus 5 cos square theta. Okay. Now, this we can rewrite this as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. In case you are not aware of the how this is done, this is a straight cut formula that where we can write sine square theta as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Again, I can rewrite this part as 3 by 2 sine 2 theta. So 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. That is what I'm using here. And 5 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So these are all straight formulas, nothing rocket science is there. You can very well go and check in case you are not aware of it. So what we are left with is 5 2 cos 2 theta plus 3 by 2 sine 2 theta. Now we have ended up with an expression like this. So to give you an example, to make the problem easy, I'll discuss a concept with you. So if I have an expression of 1 plus a sine x plus b cos x, now this I can very well rewrite it as 1 plus r sine x plus alpha. Okay, so what I have done, I have rewritten a sine x plus b cos x is equal to r sine x plus a. Now there is no anomaly in this, and this is very well correct. Now we know that sine theta, let me say sine theta, lies in the range of -1 to +1. Similarly, sine x plus, this is alpha, my bad, sine x plus alpha will also lie in the range -1 to +1. And if I say what is the value, what is the range of r sine x plus alpha, that will be from r minus r to plus r. Correct? Finally, what we have is 1 minus r less than equal to 1 plus r sine x plus alpha less than equal to 1 plus r. So the expression which we have found here has a range with a minimum value of 1 minus r and 1 plus r. Now, this r is nothing but under root of a square plus b square. This is how the concept goes. So we have rewritten this expression into this format, and then we have identified that what is the minimum value of it and what is the maximum value of it. Now, if you notice that f of theta is equal to 1 over g theta, and we are asked to find f theta max, correct? So for f theta to become max, we need to make g theta to be minimum. Okay, now we have identified g theta as 3 plus 2 cos 2 theta plus 3 by 2 sine 2 theta. So my objective now is to make g theta minimum. This expression closely resembles to the expression which I have just discussed with you. So I'm going to use the minimum formula for this, and I'll write this as 3 minus underscore under square root 4 plus 9 by 4, which is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2, which is equal to half. So I got my g theta minimum as half. Now, to make f theta max, I will use 1 minus of g theta minimum. And this turns out to be 2. So my final answer to the first question is 2. Now, going into the second problem. Second problem is even more simpler than the first problem. So in the second problem, we are given, let's go and discuss problem 2. We are given a is equal to x such that x square plus 20 is less than equal to 9x. Now this is very simple. We know that x is in the range from 4 to 5. Simple factorization I have done. Factorization with which I have concluded that x lies in the range 4 to x is lying within 4 to 5, where 4 and 5 both are included. And f of x is given to me as f of x is given to me 2x cubed minus 15x squared, 2x cubed minus 15x squared plus 36x minus 40 plus 36x minus 48. Okay, so what I'll do f dash of x. That is the standard procedure to find max and min in case of a derivative. So what I'm left with is 6x squared minus 30x plus 36. I'll take 6 common, and what I have now is x squared minus 5x plus 6. This again I know that if I put f dash x equal to 0, I have x is equal to 2 and 3. So when I receive a value, what I'm going to do, I'll start plugging in this value into the original expression. So f of 2 gives me minus 20 and f of 3 gives me minus 21. But what I'm going to do, the trick here is to examine the points at this interval as well, because x is having a domain from 4 to 5 and this is 2 and 3. So I'll just examine from the graph f of 4 is equal to minus 16 and f of 5 comes out to be 7. So from the graph I got to know, from the graph I have found the max value of f of x, which is 7 at x equal to 5. So this is my answer. I hope you like this video. For more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.